What's going on, guys? Big Time 110 here, and today I want to talk to you guys about a ROM that it's not new to the ROM scene. Some people love it, some people like it, some people don't even know about it. But that's why we're here today, and I'm here to talk to you guys. And I'm here to talk to you guys about OmniRom. Yes, that's right, OmniRom. Now, this ROM, it's been in the scene for a while now, and it's pretty known. It's pretty known. A lot of people know about it, and a lot of people, make it their favorite ROM. And with that being said, guys, let's get into the ROM. So, at first glance, all this is just me customizing the ROM to my liking. Out of the box, the ROM just comes with a regular launcher, no Google Feed now on the side. So, all this here, I did it. I installed the third-party launcher from the Play Store, and I installed the plugin. So you guys are welcome to do that. It's not a big deal. There's plenty of options to do that on the Play Store. And I know that developer gives you, if you go to the thread on XDA, which I'll link, it'll give you a reason why he doesn't include it anymore, and that's fine. Not a big deal, guys. But yeah, so this ROM is pretty cool. Let me show you guys some things, okay? So, right off the bat, as you can see here, it has the ambient display. It shows you the volts, the wattage, the milliamps, and even the battery temperature. And this line here is telling you how full the battery is. So, as you can see, it's 92%, almost full. But since I have it on a regular USB, just to show you guys, it says charging slowly. I think that's pretty cool. Your ambient display works. It shows all information when you're getting your notifications. Everything works. And well, your fingerprint, double tap, boom. Then you just press it, you go in. Auto face unlock works really good. You have the option to just, as soon as you double tap it, camera comes out, sees you, recognizes you, lets you go on through without having to swipe anything. That's cool. So let's get into this ROM real quick, guys. As you can see, this is how it looks. This is how it comes, but you could change all that. So as you can see here, we got the usual, all the regular options: your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, NFC, your permissions, your battery, your display, your sound, storage, security, and whatnot. But you're not here to see all that, right? No, you're here to see this, Omni Gears. Now this is what we're here to see. So if you go under style, you see it comes with Omni wallpapers. It has more than that. It has a theme also. So if you want to change color, you could just go to compose, or you could just choose one of these pre-made themes that they have here. Also, we have the headers. That's this picture on the top. You could change it to whatever you want. You could just change it to custom, or just select anything that's in there that's already there for you to choose. So we chose that one for now. So if you see it, boom, change. And then we have device features. You have your gestures that they work, your flashlight and everything, your ambient display. I have it on pickup. We also have the USB OTG support. You have your vibrator strength. You can change to whatever you want. You have your slider. You have your Dolby Atmos. And also here we have your panel mode. You have your colors. And also, guys, right now you might see that it's kind of bright because of the camera or whatever. I have it kind of low, and I don't think the camera catches the brightness correctly. It might look brighter, but when you're outside in the sun, you might need this. The high brightness mode, because even at the highest, when I was outside in the sun, California sun, it gets pretty strong. It was just, I couldn't see. It just felt like it was too dim. So you might want to turn that on. So then we go to buttons, and we have the music control. So I always turn that on. Just have the screen off. If I hold the plus volume button, it'll skip track. The other one rewinds. We have the show notification sorry, we have the show navigation bar, and we also have the enable advanced restart. What that is if you hold the power button, you get these options. Now, if you press restart, you get these options. You get system, recovery, or bootloader. I always turn them on because I don't like holding buttons sometimes. And sometimes I don't have my PC or my laptop near me, and I don't want to I can't ADB those, so I just go straight through. And then you also have your torchlight, which the flashlight. I'm sorry, you have the flashlight. So whenever your screen is off, you hold the power button, bam, bam. All right, and then we go back in. You have your recent styles, and then we have the bars. Here you could have your network traffic, your quick settings. You could just change how the opacity on it. You have status bar options like double tap to sleep, use the old mobile style, a quick pull down, and then we have also the gestures here. You can just turn on the OnePlus gestures like I did, and they work perfectly. They work really nice. Under lock screen, you do have your weather condition, like I have mine. Double tap to sleep the lock screen. You have also auto unlock untrusted face. So this is where you go when you go to smart lock and you have it recognize your face. You turn this on. As soon as it pops up, the camera looks at you, boom, lets you through. No having to swipe or anything like that, which is cool. Then we have the weather. You could choose the service and you can choose the icon. I choose outline because it looks pretty good, just the white little icons, on the lock screen. Then we have display colors, which is your hue, saturation, intensity, contrast. You can adjust it however you want. So, and then we have your dialer. We have the options here. I only have vibrate on disconnect so that whenever I'm talking on the phone to somebody and I'm going through the mountains or whatever, and it disconnects, I feel the vibration. So we have fingerprint here. As you can see, I have a custom Google icon, and that's this right here. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but if you double tap it, it's right there. Just boom, and that's my fingerprint icon. So we also have system UI tuner. We got the quick settings. You can put the brightness slider at the bottom. You could change it to whatever you want. More options. Status bar, you could disable a lot of the icons you don't want to see. Do not disturb. Navigation bar, if you have it on screen buttons, you can change the layout to what you're liking. Then we have the lock screen. We have a lot of shortcuts. So the ones that I showed you at the beginning of the video, where you have all the milliamp, the battery temperature, and the wattage, and the battery bar, this is it. This is all that shows you there. And you could turn on whatever you want to see, whatever you don't want to see. And then you could even customize the shortcuts. I have on default because I really don't care for the shortcuts. And if you press more, we get these options, which I just left them at default. But one thing to know, guys, is that a lot of other ROMs will have, like, for example, battery options. This one doesn't come with any. So you just get a plain old battery and you get a percentage. And that's it, whether you like it or not. But don't get me wrong, this ROM has a lot of cool features. Like, it comes with its own clock, OmniRom, Omni clock. And you could put, music to wake you up. It has the Omni switch. I mean, it has a lot of features. But at the end of the day, it's what you guys it's what you guys like. Some might like it because this ROM is, it has a lot of customizability, has a lot of options, but it doesn't have everything. So far, it's been stable. I haven't had no issues with battery. Haven't had no issues with the ROM not booting up when I rebooted or any bugs. In fact, I tried Google Pay at a gas station twice just to see if it worked, because it worked once, but it worked outside the machine at the gas station at the pump, right? And then I was like, let me see if it works, inside the store. And it did work. So let me show you guys. You see? I was like, whoa, And then, yeah, so if you are one of those guys or girls that like to use your Google Pay, but sometimes those custom ROMs don't do a good job of hiding it, even after you have Managed, installed, this ROM is for you. It has everything that you want it to work. So, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for always giving me feedback, always watching my videos. I appreciate all that. I like the encouragement. I like all the feedback I get. And thank you for interacting with me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.